Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Pinterest Inc. Full guide step by step clearly. Before investing in Pinterest Inc., it's essential to understand the company's business model. Research Pinterest's services and unique market position. Visit financial news websites for recent updates on Pinterest's performance. Analyze Pinterest's financial statements to understand their revenue, expenses, and profitability. Review Pinterest's user metrics, including active users and engagement statistics. Check for news about any significant changes in leadership or strategy. Determine your investment budget while considering your overall financial situation. Select a brokerage platform that suits your investment style. Create an account with the brokerage, ensuring all necessary documentation is provided. Fund your brokerage account through your preferred payment method. Search for Pinterest Inc. using its ticker symbol, PINS, on the brokerage platform. Review the stock's current price and recent performance trends. Decide on the number of shares you wish to purchase based on your budget. Place a market or limit order for Pinterest shares as per your strategy. Monitor your investment regularly to assess its performance over time. Stay updated with news about Pinterest and its industry to make informed decisions. Consider setting price alerts to stay aware of significant market changes. Evaluate your investment strategy periodically and adjust based on your financial goals. Be prepared for potential volatility, as stock prices can fluctuate. Take a long-term approach by diversifying your portfolio with different investments. Remember that investing carries risks, so only invest what you can afford to lose. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.